What's up, everybody? It's your girl Issa. Now look, y'all, my phone died, but usually I come on here, I'm looking cute, I'm looking good, but when the Lord puts something on your heart, you have to submit. I was like, why do I need to make a video about this, Lord? And he said, well, somebody's gonna hear. And I said, well, you're absolutely right. Yes, I'm glistening. Yes, I have not been asleep, but the skin is tea, you feel me? Now, we are going to read the Bible. I have been doing this on TikTok. So, of course, we're going to be reading the book of Matthew in the New Testament. And we're going to be reading the whole Bible. This is day one of me rereading Matthew. Now, this has been a Bible passed down to me from great-grandmother, okay? And this is also a study Bible. So I am reading from a study Bible. So if your pages are different, just know I am in the book of Matthew at the beginning. It says, wise men from the east. Now after Jesus was born, Bethlehem of Judea, in the days of Herod the king, behold, wise men from the east came to Jerusalem, saying, where is he who has been born King of the Jews? For we have seen his star in the east and have come to worship him. When Herod the king heard this, he was troubled, and all Jerusalem was with him. All Jerusalem with him. And when he had gathered all the chief priests and scribes of the people together, he inquired of them where the Christ was to be born. So they said to him, in Bethlehem of Judea, for thus it is written by the prophet, but you, Bethlehem, in the land of Judah, are not the least among the rulers of Judah. For out of you shall come a ruler who will shepherd my people Israel. It says, then Herod, when he had secretly called the wise men, determined from them what time the star appeared, and he sent them to Bethlehem and said, go and search carefully for the young child, and when you have found him, bring back word to me that I may come and worship him also. When they heard the king, they departed, and behold, the star which they had seen in the east went before them, till it came and stood over where the young child was. When they saw the star, they rejoiced with exceedingly great joy. And when they had come into the house, they saw the young child with Mary his mother, and fell down and worshipped him. And when they had opened their treasures, they presented gifts to him, gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Then, being divinely warned in a dream that they should not return to Herod, they departed for their own country another way. Because if y'all know, they were trying to kill Jesus. They were out there killing all the boys who were born. The same way how it happened with Moses. When God has something in store for you, when God has a plan for you, nothing on this earth can stop his plan from coming to fruition. The Pharaoh tried to stop Moses from being born. And guess what? His plan did not succeed because Moses was still born and there was still a deliverer. Let it be written, let it be done. So it was written, so it would be done, okay? They tried to stop Jesus from being born. King Herod tried to stop it. He could not. Jesus was still born. Even though Satan was on the lookout like, where Jesus at? Where Jesus at? We're going to stop him today. Satan didn't even succeed, him and his little minions. So I hope you guys understood the message today. Hope you have a great day and a blessed day. I see y'all next time at Issa's Bible study and at Issa's collections. And bye, guys.